Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 San Diego, California, downtown. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in sunny San Diego, this motel is 10 minutes drive from SeaWorld. All rooms include a flat-screen TV with cable. San Diego International Airport and San Diego Zoo are 3 miles away. A 24-hour reception is offered at Motel 6 San Diego downtown. Laundry facilities is located on site for added convenience. Vending machines featuring drinks are available. San Diego Downtown Motel 6 is 10 minutes bus ride from Historic Gaslamp Quarter. San Diego Convention Center is 4 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.